talking to my buddy Joe, and he said, you know, when you get there, it's going to be hot. You know what I mean? You don't want to climb around. He's like, and you can just put it on when you're done. So I took it off. It is just as loud as it was when there was no exhaust and it ran off the pipe. I like it. I like it a lot. It is stupid loud. I haven't really did any hits to see how it feels top end. Hopefully it pulls a little harder and we can get some good times. The weather's looking about 1,500 DA, give or take, you know, 100 or so. But much better weather than it was the last couple times I went. So let's hope for some good times. I'm hoping in the 12.5, 12.6 range. I'll be happy with that. Anywhere in there, which I don't see it being a problem. I did a 12.7.9. It was a high 12.7. The 12.7 last time in 2,500 DA. So I don't think 12.6 should be too much of a problem. The only mod I have since then is the cutout. I'm not saying it's going to do much, but maybe give me a little more mile an hour. That would be nice. And I'm not looking to really plan on race. I don't have any races lined up. My plan today is go there and just try to get the best time I can in the weather. You know what I mean? I got a couple friends going, but nothing crazy. We don't plan on racing anyone, but I'm going to hit it and see how loud it is. First run, we're going to run my man Steve here. Hasn't been here in 2 years.
Remember all racers?
Oh, you're still going to get me, don't worry.
And they must be Windows must be up.
I got a little more mods since you've been here, but you still got me beat. You'll still get me. You'll get me on the top end. I already know that.
Driving street cars, please keep your air conditioners on so we're not slowing down to have to pop up the starting line from the water that you drip on the starting line from your compressor.
Same mods as last time, obviously, right?
Keep your air conditioners on.
Yep.
All vehicles with working headlights when the I think I popped a really good 60 foot. I don't know what it's gonna run. Seems strong, seemed good. Let's hope for, 12.5, 12.6. Can only hope for the best. No idea what it ran, but it did feel good. Popped off the line good, and I'm thinking that was a 12.6 run. Mid 12.6s, I'll be happy. It's about 1,600 DA, maybe a little higher, but 1,000 less than what we ran last time. So when I ran my man Steve, who hasn't been here in almost a year and a half, and I haven't seen him. I actually gave the guy a hug. I haven't seen him in so damn long. But it's all good. And he's doing he's healthy again. So let's see what this slip was. He went by me at the end. Yeah, he went by me at the end. So I'm hoping 12, 5, 6 possibly. Thank you, sir. 12.669. Good mile an hour. Oh, 10. Oh, yeah. Good. Great race. We had a good race, man. I'm happy. 12.669, 106.3. So the mile an hour actually did go up with the cutout in this, All right, 172, 60 foot. Great. I'm happy. Everything's looking good. I'm going to get a couple more passes in and have some fun.
you're on standby. Call you up in just a couple of minutes for your first time run session. And again, drivers lanes 9 and 10 in your cars, please. Drivers lanes 9 and 10 in your cars, please.
Where this run was, and if this tune didn't really do much, I did put the other tune in, then I will switch back to the tune I had in and stay with that. And you know, I think the other tune probably was a little bit better, so that's my opinion. We'll see what this ET is.
There you are.
Thanks, man. 12686. So is basically the same. But I might put the other tune back in again. We will see. DA was 1650 or something when I looked. So it's running good. Can't deny that. It's absolutely running great. Spinning a bad every run. So I think new tires might have to be in order, maybe look at some suspension, but it's just, you know, I can't hook half the time I run anymore. It's really aggravating right now. But you know what I mean? Spinning bad every run. Half the runs I run are good, half the time I spin bad. So I gotta look at either different tires or, you know, some suspension work. I don't know yet. That was aggravating because it was a good run. The truck's running fucking great. But it is what it is. We're headed home from the track. I literally sat there for 2 hours and didn't get my last pass. I couldn't wait any longer. I got to get home. It's 9 o'clock. I got work at 4 a.m. And I sat there and waited. And I still, I should have went home. No big deal. The truck ran great. It ran what I wanted it to do. It could have got better, but half the runs, I got 4 runs in. And the other 2 runs in, I blew the tires off, and I was going to, I lowered down the tire pressure a little bit more, 1 PSI each, and went into the lane that I was getting better traction in, which I usually like the left lane. The right lane was getting better traction, so I was going to send it in the right lane. But, you know, I sat there and waited, and they're just running gamblers forever, so I was like, I don't have time, I got to get home. So I put the cutout back on the plate and the air filter, and I'm headed home. But it was a good night, good track night. I don't think I won any races, really, to be honest. Steve, the vet, I'm always there. I've known him since I was even going with stock. He's at the same mods forever, you know. He's like, yeah, what do you have done? I haven't seen him in almost 2 years. Last season he wasn't there, and you know, we had a couple good runs, man. He ran me down every time. I beat him off the line every one, and he just ran me down every single run. But it was a great run, great time. Good to see him back, and we'll get back out there as soon as I can, and you know, try to get some better traction issues. But we'll worry about that another time. But yeah, it was a good night. You guys, yeah. Sorry. To the next one. Peace.